Hello student, in this video I am going to show you how to create the data frame using dictionary of list or the list of dictionary or the dictionary of series. So let's go to type the code to create the data frame using the dictionary of the list. So first, to create the data frame we have to import package which is pandas as pd. Here I use the alias name pd. Press on enter button. It will take some time to import it in your project. So after importing it, type the code to create the dictionary of list here. So inside these curly bracket we have to pass the key value pair. Here I pass the key as name colon, and here we have to provide the value. So here I want to pass more than one value, so inside this list here I pass the name Tom and Jack and then comma. Now provide the second key here which is age, and inside it I will pass the age from Tom and Jack both 20, 22 and press enter. Now to create the data frame, just type the code df is equal to, so inside pd dot data frame, and inside the constructor of this method we should pass the data. So here I want to create the data frame using this dictionary of list, and press enter to see the result, it will be created or not. Inside the print constructor pass the variable which is df here and press enter and see the result. So here you can see that the key can be converted into the form of column name, and the indexing by default 0 and 1 for first and the second value. Now to create the data frame using the list of dictionaries, first we have to create the list of dictionary. So I want to create here, so for this one type code data is equal to, and inside this bracket we have to type the dictionaries, different dictionaries. So inside the curly braces I use a key and then a value here which is 1 comma key b, and the value is 2. Then the next dictionary we should provide here. Inside it key value pair we have to pass, so here I use a 5 comma b colon 10. So as you see here, it is the list of dictionary. So inside this list 2 element pass as a dictionary inside this list, and each dictionary have 2 key values pair inside it. Now press on enter, and to create the data frame just type the code df is equal to pandas dot data frame, and inside this data frame constructor we have to pass the data from which you want to create this data frame. So I want to create the data frame using this list of dictionaries. Now press on enter to see the result, it will change or not. So type the print command, and inside the print constructor pass the variable name in which this data frame is stored, which is df here, and press enter and see the result. The value is aligned here in this method. So the key is converted into the column and the data is converted into the corresponding columns here. Now to create the dictionary from series, or to create the data frame from the dictionary of series, so first we have to create the dictionary of series here. So how to create a dictionary of series? So first type the code here d, and we want to create the dictionary of series, so it means that key value here we have to pass, but inside the value we have to pass here the series here. So pd dot series, so inside this series we have to pass some values. So here I pass inside the constructor the data in the format of list 1 comma 2 comma 3, and we should also provide the index. So index inside the this is square bracket, I pass index a comma b and comma c. So here as you see that one key which is 1 here, and the value we get from this series. So pd dot series, first it will create the series, the data will be in the format of 1 2 3, and it will be indexed at position a, b and c. It means that 1 has an index a, 2 has an index b and 3 has an index c. So in the correspondings of this one key 3 values are there. Now if you want to create the second key value pair, so for this one same code you have to type. Here I use 2 as a key and colon and pd dot series. Inside this series we have to pass the data. So here I use 4 comma 5 comma 6, and now to provide the index, type index is equal to, and inside this square bracket we must pass the index here, which is a comma b comma c here. Now press on enter button. So the dictionary of series created here. Now to create the data frame, type the code df is equal to pd dot data frame, and inside this method constructor we should pass the variable from where we get the data. So we will get the data from t here, because we stored the dictionary of series inside this variable, and press on enter button. Now to see the result, type the print command, print, and inside the print constructor pass the variable in which data frame is stored, which is df here, and now press on enter button and see the result. The value is aligned in the row and the column, or we can say that it is aligned into the two-dimensional array or some structure.